Hello, in this video it's Pusheen in the washing machine. But before I start, I'm just going to make sure you're all settled. Are you all settled? Yeah? Then I'll begin. I'm going to start to begin right now. You can probably see Pusheen Cat inside once I start spinning. But I might need to move out of the way. It's pretty amazing how good I can spin. This is tiring. Very, very tiring. I'm hurting my hand doing this. It's basically okay to do. All okay. What if I add this? Write in the comments if I should use this as well. Or can I put this in the washing machine?
Yes, as long as you don't make it like actually
Wet?
Yeah.
Okay, so I can do it. I'm not gonna put any water in there because I don't want Pusheen Cat getting wet. So spin. That's kind of horrible.
Now we'll make some cucumbers. Little cucumbers to go over.
What are you getting?
I'm just putting some of this medicine away.
This is going to be a
The
big...
pink. I see the pink, Mom.
Yeah, it's a different kind of pink. But
Yeah. Sorry, guys.
There's Envy. Where's Envy?
I took them out already.
Oh, you can use my creeper if you want. I'm going to comb my hair now.
Mom, still there? Mom, is anything you're hearing okay to be in the video?
yep, all sounding good, babe.
You still going, no?
Okay.
Wee, wee, wee! He's just hanging out in there, but alone. Can I do your Pusheen?
Yeah? Don't get it wet, okay?
Yeah, I'm not. There's Randy.
Right? My Pusheen is over there. Here to help you find everything.
Okay.
And if you want, you can even use my little pony snuggles.
I got North Pusheen. I hope they don't find any junk food because junk food is not supposed to be in the washing machine.
Hey Spencer, do you want to use my little pony snuggles?
No thanks.
I had to say my little pony snuggles. sing if you want.
No thanks. This is it for this video. So you should see me in the next one. Mom, did it all sound okay?
Yeah, great, babe.